This is the uppa tutorial. I'll show you the difference of these. This is the uppa Vista versus the uppa Cruz. It's a little bit heavier, bigger wheels, a little bit more space. And the way to disassemble them, because I could never find it, push this button down, pull the triggers. And the big one, the reason why you're watching this video, there's a tab right here to unpop before you open it. Easy on both of them. Pull the triggers. And don't forget the tab, the secret tab on both strollers to open it. I used both of these. I ended up thinking the Cruz was just as good. Oh look, she loves the seat. You can pop in each piece. We've got the bassinet, which is awesome. Just push that to pop it out. You have the car seat that pops in and out, which goes in the base very easily. We often use the base, sometimes didn't, and just put the car seat right over the top, which is a great way to do it. And then we have the toddler seat, which can go either direction. But if you have two kids, you need to get the rumble seat, which is not the toddler seat, and you have to get a separate attachment here and then buy the separate rumble seat. And they work on both the Vista and the Cruz. Either way works. Hope this helps the uppa people. Thank you.